Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription easily. If you no longer want to use Rocket Money Premium, you can cancel your membership anytime. Canceling your subscription will stop future premium billing, while your account will remain accessible with the available features. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the official Rocket Money website. Log into your Rocket Money account. Once you're logged in, click on the settings icon next to your profile name in the top right corner. After that, click on Profile. On the next page, click on Premium. Now scroll down until you see the Manage Membership section. Here, click on Cancel Membership. On the next screen, Rocket Money will ask you to confirm your decision with a message asking if you're sure you want to cancel your premium membership. Simply click on Continue Cancellation. Once you do that, your Rocket Money Premium membership will be canceled successfully. And that's it. This is how you can cancel your subscription using Rocket Money. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.